Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. If the first half of the English alphabet is reversed and so is the second half, which letter is third to the left of the 17th letter from left side? So let's try to first visualize the ordering of the alphabets. So there are 26 letters. First half consists of 13 letters, and so does second half. So it is given that first half is written in reverse order. So written in reverse order are first 13 letters. 13 letters. So instead of writing A over here, A is written over here. And its rank from left side is 13th. So A, B, C, D in this way. So this is 12th, 11th and 10th. The second half of the alphabet is also written in reverse order. So written in reverse order are next 13 letters. So instead of writing Z over here, Z is written over here and its rank from left is 14th. So Z, Y, X, W, V, U in this way. So this is 14th, 15th, 16th and 17th from left side. This ranking is from left side. So let's remove A and Z over there. They are incorrectly placed now. So we are asked which letter is third to the left of the 17th letter from the left side. So 17th letter from the left side is W. And third to the left from this letter. So first to the left from this letter is X. This is second and this is third. So answer is Z. Answer is option D.